Okay, right, I think we're ready to go. I'm currently on my own. You are joining us. We are leaving on a trip to the Cotswolds. Me and Amy always try and squeeze little trips in on the weekends. That is why she's currently not here. I am going to pick her up from work. I've been left in charge of making sure everything's in the car, so I'm really hoping that I've got everything. Sorry, Amy, if I haven't. Let's go get her. We have an Amy.
Hello!
Aim, have a look in the little cubby hole.
Brownie. So a few things have happened since Scotland. Firstly, we built a new kitchen.
We also did our first European car camping trip. We went to Belgium, but unfortunately there's no video because my camera fell over and broke on the first day.
My camera fell over. Someone didn't put it on the tripod properly.
Correct.
My camera fell over. So last night we drove to the Cotswolds. We're staying in South Kearney by the Cotswolds Water Park, and we had a bonfire and pizza and a little bit of wine. Now we're ready to have a day in the Cotswolds.
So we have stopped off in a little village called, what's it called?
Stow on the Wold.
We quickly realised it's a Sunday and nothing is open. We were heading somewhere else, but we thought we'd stop and just look at the little village. Set up a funny shot, skipping down the road and don't realise there's someone in the shop window staring at you. So we originally had no plans to stop at this little village, but it's well cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's super cute.
We are now headed to our original destination.
Burton on the water.
And hopefully the sun comes out. There's only one reason Amy wants to go to Burton on the water, and that is...
Bird World. It's called Birdland. We've made it to Burton on the water. Let's see what it's all about. Nice lunch at a cafe, and now we're gonna go to Birdland. Woo!
Back in the car. We just finished in Birdland. That's good.
Very good.
Very good. So we're now gonna head to, where is it?
Cirencester.
It looks like a bit of a bigger town. We're going to do like a charcuterie board tonight because we're driving tonight to
The Mendip Hills.
the Mendip Hills.
Cheddar Gorge.
Yeah, so we're going to find somewhere to park up, have a nice little charcuterie board. We are after food for tonight.
We've just been to Tesco to get some supplies.
The sun has come out. Come on. So now we're leaving the Cotswolds and we're going to head to the Mendip Hills.
Pieces back together if you won't let me get that. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach. I know the words.
Do like an underhand.
To forget me. Next time you get on the plane, that's when I see you again. For I finally found what I've been looking for. What's that? It starts with one thing. I got the level out front. Our mental synchronization.
As planned, we are driven from the Cotswolds. We are now in the Mendip Hills. We've found this park up to stay at for the night before going to explore Cheddar Gorge tomorrow. It looks like we've got the entire place to ourselves. Just having a little charcuterie picnic. Look at that view. Look at it. I don't even know where we are, but look at that view.
As lovely as this view is, we've decided we're going to pack up and get in the car to watch some YouTube because it is chilly. So we've not long got up, got ready for the day. Woken up to something we're not used to, the sun. It's really cold this morning and Dee's just flying his drone there. We're about to go and hike Cheddar Gorge. Gorge.
We are at Cheddar Gorge. We've parked in the visitor centre car park. So we are currently walking through the bottom of Cheddar Gorge. The gorge is that way, and we're going to try and climb to the top. But it's cool down here. There's all bars, restaurants. There's a cocktail bar which
obviously is not open yet.
Yeah, nothing's open yet because it's Monday morning.
We would be having a drink at 8:30 in the morning.
So we went and spoke to a lady at the visitor centre. She told us for some reason they don't open till 10 o'clock. So we can wait till 10 o'clock and pay to go up the other side, or you come to this side of the gorge and there's a National Trust route going up instead. So,
it's free.
Yeah, this is free. 5k. Let's go. So we are on top of Cheddar Gorge. We are so high up. And I am pooing my pants. It's literally a drop. So apparently because of the heavy rain, the caves are actually flooded, so we won't be doing any caving, but we're just going to chill in Cheddar and get some food.
One of my favourite things about coming to places like this is there are dogs everywhere and everything is dog friendly.
Is it. Thank you for joining us on this little trip. We're driving home now. We've got a 4-hour drive home. But in a few weeks we're going on another trip, so join us for that when that happens. But until then, bye bye.
Bye.